Discover a revolutionary way to dry your clothes with ED 890 HP. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this dryer consumes less energy than traditional dryers, saving you on energy bills without sacrificing performance. Its ventless design allows for installation in compact spaces like apartments and condos. Its spacious 3.7 cubic foot capacity can handle large loads of laundry. The built-in humidity sensor ensures your clothes are perfectly dry without over-drying. The ED 890 HP Sanitize cycle eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, making it ideal for sensitive skin and disinfection. Dry items like shoes or delicates using the special drying rack, ensuring quiet, even drying without any wear and tear. Schedule your laundry around your day with the convenient delay start function. Its sleek touch control panel and digital controls and modern LED lighting adds a stylish touch to your laundry room. Use the wrinkle guard and refresh function to keep your clothes looking fresh without wrinkles and odors. The ED 890 HP stackable design fits seamlessly into small spaces and can be paired with the Equator's EW 835 washer. Its unique condensing tank collects water while drying, eliminating the need for external exhaust with the heat pump system. Experience the future of laundry care with the Equator ED 890 HP heat pump dryer today.